Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Most welcome to Triangular Kamal Academy. Today I am going to discuss one of the most important topics for the students of class 9 and 10, which is set and function from exercise 1.2. In the last content we have done up to number 11. Today I am going to discuss question number 12. So basically this question is the form how to find the inverse function. If someone know how to find the inverse function, then he can do this one exactly. So there are two questions in 12, number 1 and number 2. Basically these two questions are the requirements same, find the inverse function. So their function is given f of x equal 5x minus 4, and here f of x equal x cube plus 5, and g of x is given here x minus 5 to the power 1/3, and the information is given the function f is open. That means the domain is real number, codomain is also set of real number, and there are two functions f of x and g of x, and both are open because f domain and codomain both are same real number, and the function g also domain and codomain both are same and the set of real number. Okay, give attention question number 1 first. Number 12, 1. Sorry. Given that a real number 2 real number and the function g is also real number to real number. First are indicate domain, second are indicate codomain, and f of x equal x cube plus 5, g of x equal x minus 5 whole to the power 1/3. The requirement here show that g equal f of inverse. That means g already given here, and you have to find f inverse 1 or f inverse x. So let y equal f of x equal x cube plus 5. So here we can write this one indicate range, this one indicate domain. For different values of x in the limit, we will get different types of value which indicate by y. So from here we can write two different equation, y equal this one or y equal this one. First we can write here f of x equal y, or x will be f inverse y. Just changing here. Now, and secondly, this is equation number 1. Again, consider here x cube plus 5 equal y. X cube plus 5 equal y. So we can write here x cube equal y minus 5, or x will be y minus 5. Like this power, if this one is 2, this one will be square root, this one will be 4, and this one will be 1/4. Or you can write here like y minus 5, and this one, if you write here x equal just this power, when shifted left side to right side, this one will be 1/. So, or you can write this line x equal y minus 5 to the power 1/3. So now comparing this equation number 1 and 2, what we can write here, comparing equation number 1, this is the value of x, this is also the value of x. So from this equation we can write here f inverse y equal y minus 5 to the power 1/3. Now this is the inverse function for the variable y. Now we will change the variable y to x. Changing variable y to x, we get f inverse x equal x minus 5 1/3, which indicate g of x. Given in the first equation, x minus 5 to the power 1/3 equals g of x. So in the short form we can write here, as far as question, g equal f inverse. Sure. Now we will do question number 2. Similarly, same question. Okay, question number 2. As like as previous one, first write the given information. Given that f, here domain R and codomain R, that means open set or open function, and another function given here, f of x equal 5 times of x minus 4. And the requirement here, then find, I think the requirement is then this one will be then find. That means you have to find the value of inverse function. So as like as previous one, we will do this question. Both question are the same. Just here the function of inverse f x is with equal g, and just you have to find here f inverse x. So similarly as like as previous one, you can do question number 2. So now first step, let y equal f of x equal 5 times of x minus 4. So f inverse x equal y, or x equal f inverse y, and this is equation number 1. Again 5 times of x minus 4 equal y, like this one, y considering first one, y considering with the second one. So now 5 times of x will be y plus 4, or x equal y plus 4 divided by 5, and this is number 2. This is the value of x and this is also the value of x. So considering equation 1 and 2, we can write here, so f inverse y equal y plus 4 divided by 5. This is the inverse function, which is our requirement, but we see here the variable is y, but the requirement variable is x. Now change the variable y to x. Changing variable y to x, we get f inverse x equal x plus 4 divided by 5. That is, so y equal, as per as question, f inverse x equal x plus 4 divided by 5, which is our answer. So basically these two questions are the same. The here requirement f inverse x equal g, that means value of inverse function will be equal with x minus 5 whole to the power 1/3, and here requirement just find the value, and here the information will be same with g of x, but question procedure and the answer two step will be same in the question number 1 and question number 2. So dear student, thank you very much to enjoy this tutorial. If you have any question, please do comments. Hopefully see again in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz. And if you like my content, please do comments and subscribe my channel, and you can share this content to your friends, those who have ambition in maths learning. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.